Hello guys, this is Muhammed Shafi back with another video. So in this video we are going to unbox this pepper spray. So we all heard about pepper spray, but most of us don't know what a pepper spray is. And this is a pepper spray which I ordered on Flipkart, and the name here is Impower Defense Spray Pepper. If you are reading the effects section, upon direct contact with eyes, respiratory systems, and mucous membranes, the active ingredients in the defense spray will cause eyes to slam shut, and coughing and intense burning sensation. So for 45 minutes you will not be having a very good time if you are getting sprayed by this. And for safety reasons, I strongly recommend to keep out of children, condense under pressure, do not puncture or incinerate. Upon exposure, follow the first aid instructions that were included with your defense spray. I don't know if there I think there will be a first aid instruction inside. So there is a free course for this also. So this is not a something which you have to play with. This is something very serious. So if you are using this, please be careful. I ordered it from Flipkart. I chose this company because it has some good rating. Let's open it up and see what all is inside this. I think there is a safety precaution or something like that, because otherwise it can be really dangerous. Okay, so this is the oh my god, this is the thing itself. So it comes under this thing, pen like thing. Okay, so I think we have to open this, and you have to click here on to spray. I won't be spraying this because this is very small. Okay, it is a very small thing, so it is easily portable. Unfortunately we don't have anything inside this, so they were saying that follow the first aid instructions that were included with your spray. So I think we have to wash our eyes something very for a long time, like very deeply or something, because this will not be a pleasant moment, as it says that it is can be very bad for 45 minutes. So this is how a pepper spray look like, and the pricing is of 350 rupees. So very costly, but I think it will be very useful for all the people who are going outside. And this can be very good thing for a not so much harmless protection for you if you are going somewhere you don't know. It is very handy, you can keep it easily with you. So that's guys, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to leave it a like, share with your friends, and I will catch you guys in the next video.